Ladies, thank you for allowing me the honor to speak with you today. It is both a privilege and joy to stand before you, these wonderful, amazing, dynamic, resilient women. And did I mention wise as well? You are a wise group of amazing women. Women of strength, experience, depth, and you are living proof that love, like a fine wine, only gets better with time. Can I say it again? That, like a fine wine, we the women only gets better with time. Ladies, we are in a society that often sends mixed messages about love, relationships, and age. The media loves to promote youth as the ultimate symbol of beauty and romantic success. But today, I am here to tell you that life and love is not confined to a timeline. It is not boxed into your 20s or your 30s. It is not a fleeting chapter. In fact, many women, life's richest chapters are just beginning in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond. So we have 6 points to love at any age. First point, know your value. First, I want to remind you, know your worth. By the time you've reached your 40s, you've accumulated wisdom, resilience, and a sense of self that the younger version of yourself could only dream of. You've learned from experiences, from triumphs, from setbacks alike. And this makes you a powerful, valuable partner. Never forget that. That what you bring to the table, your experiences, the things that you've gone through, makes you a powerful partner. Don't you ever forget it. You bring depth and understanding and emotional maturity to the relationship. Love isn't just about butterflies in your stomach. It's about partnership, mutual respect, and shared purpose. Right? Next point. Be clear about what you want. Be clear about what you want. When it comes to seeking love and marriage later in life, clarity is key. By now, you know what you want, and equally important, what you don't want. Key points. Know what you want and know what you don't want. Do not settle for less than what you deserve. Healthy love is built on shared values, mutual respect, and kindness. Do not allow anyone to diminish your standards. Guard your heart, but do not harden it. Say it again. Guard your heart, protect it, but do not harden it. Be open to love, but approach it with wisdom. Say it again. Be open to love, but approach it with wisdom. Next point. Embrace vulnerabilities. Embrace vulnerabilities. For many women, vulnerability can feel risky, especially after past heartbreaks. But love requires courage. It requires you to let go of fear and open yourselves to new possibilities. Vulnerability is not a weakness. It is a strength. Embracing your vulnerability is embracing your strength. It is the ability to say, I am willing to be seen and known, and I am worthy of love just as I. Hello, friend. Are you finding value here on the channel? Then like, comment, share, and subscribe. Next point. Trust in God's timing. We're going to trust in God's timing. If you are a woman of faith, I encourage you to trust in God's timing. Proverbs 5 to 6 tells us, it reminds us actually, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not unto your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight. Right? He will make your path straight. Remember, there is no expiration date on love. God's plans for you are good. Jeremiah 29:11 tells us, God knows the plans that he has for you. He has plans to make your life better. He has plans to make you happy. He has plans to give you a good future. He knows the desires of your heart. So be patient, but also be active, because the word tells us faith without works is dead. So yes, have faith, but also work. So take steps to meet new people, build new friendships, cultivate connections. Trust God while you also take action. Next point. Define the fairy tale. That's actually going to be redefining the fairy tale. While we redefine what it looks like, we're going to rewrite the story of what we've been told about romance. Love is not a perfect, effortless fairy tale. It is a partnership where two people commit to growing together. Again, we are committing to growing together. Partnership. It's about communication, patience, and grace. Love doesn't look like a Hollywood movie. No, it doesn't. It looks like showing up day after day, choosing each other through life's seasons. Next point. Love yourself. Finally, that is the most important point, is to love yourself. And mostly, love yourself and cultivate self-love. A woman who loves herself is a magnet for healthy love. Self-love means setting boundaries, honoring your needs, and celebrating your strengths. It means letting go of past regrets and embracing the woman you are today. Beautiful, whole, and worthy. Last point in my closing remarks. Closing inspiration. We're closing this conversation with inspiration. Let me leave you with this. Love is not limited. Love is not limited. Love is not a limited resource. It's never too late to find love. It's never too late to find it. The best love stories are always the ones that happen early in life, but honestly, they are the ones that happens later in life and in the right moment in life. Those are the best ones with the right person and for the right reasons. So be open and hopeful. Be courageous. The next chapter is waiting, and it just might be the best one yet. So ladies, thank you so much. Ladies, you are strong, you are worthy, and the best is yet to come. Love is on the horizon. Embrace it in the moment and in this season. Thank you for joining me for this motivational conversation, and I will see you in the next conversation.